That is crazy.
That's so cute. This is the nursery with
Yeah.
all the mama birds.
All the mama birds. Oh wow, look at, did you see those eggs under them?
Yeah.
I had a bunch.
Cute.
I hope you're getting good video because I can't see.
I am.
This is the nursery for all the mama birds. They all got eggs. Wait a minute, I can't see. They all got eggs.
And the sills are
All
just
the way down. This is the mama bird
laying in
nursery.
the sun. Oh, look, the sills swimming around.
Look at that over there. Egg. They're all, that's mamas. Oh, look at all that looking for eggs.
Wow.
Four eggs.
She is putting them under her.
She's putting them up, stacking them up.
Cute.
Stacking the baby birds up. Look, there's an egg.
And these over here, I think, are the boys because they were trying to fight and they had like glue under their beak.